It's time for the legends, because Viktor Yevtushkin Maori is a true legend of Klan FC. He has a record of 4 victories, 3 losses and 1 draw. And now he competes against the youngster from Turkey, Gülsen. I'm not sure if Gülsen understands what he agrees to do today, because Yevtushkin is a true warrior, is the lion's heart. And he prefers to work with this overhands. He prefers to work on the close and middle ranges. It's very interesting to see what our Turkish guest Gülsen will show today, because now he misses, but he responds in the same moment. As far as we have seen, our Turkish fighters are extremely tough. They are about passion and aggression. And now Viktor Maori misses the punch. This is the first knockdown. Viktor, are you ready to continue? I'm not sure if he will, if he is able. But he showcases he can do it. He missed some counter strikes and he continues missing. Gülsen, one more combination from Gülsen and the second knockdown for the Turkish young fighter. Fight. Gülsen counter strikes. Yevtushkin. Whoa! Knockdown! Knockdown! Knockdown for Maori. I'm sure they will definitely get the bonus after this performance. Extremely cool first round. And the public supports Maori. They call Vita, Vita. The knockdown number 3. The last knockdown that Viktor can get in this round. Another one will be knockout, but this is the end of the first round. The public supports Viktor Yevtushkin Maori. And he continues in spite of 3 knockdowns in the first round. This Turkish is very good. Oh, the first knockdown in the second round. Great counter hook from Turkish guy. He can be the future star of our league. Significant skill, significant counter punching style, and the second knockdown. Viktor, should you continue? No, no. He is over. He is done. It's over. It's over. And this is a great professional debut for Gülsen.
5, 4, 3, 2, L1 go.
У Віті другий раз на боях ламається челюсть. Оплески Віті.
His jaw is broken. His jaw is broken. Gülsen breaks the jaw of the opponent.
Перемогу здобуває Еміржан Gülsen.
And Gülsen is a winner by knockout.
Vamos!
Суддя. Перший раунд, тайм. Файт!
Yevgeny Bychenko against Kirilo Taran, the Ukrainian derby. Bychenko wears black, whereas his opponent Taran wears red. Taran is much higher. He has to use this advantage in his height and his arm span to get the victory over the opponent. Some grappling skills that we see.
Файт!
And Kirilo Taran showcased his respect. Taran, who has a record of no victories and 1 loss. Now he's here to get his first victory, but of course the opposition is not so easy to do it. Close range distance where Kirilo Taran feels much more confident
Файт!
than his opponent Bychenko. Bychenko is in the center of the ring, and now he's looking for his moment, for his attack.
Стоп! Файт! Стоп! Низько голову.
Kirilo Taran is only the youngster of this league.
Стоп!
He is 21 years, but he has already competed in bare-knuckle format. Bychenko gets more and more closer to his opponent.
Стоп! Стоп!
He punches on a close range, but to the back of the rival.
Стоп! По кутах.
I be the menace to society, the killer, the society killer. I be the menace to society, killer. Society.
Другий раунд, тайм. Файт!
Kirilo Taran is a classic boxer with 10 years of amateur experience of boxing. But bare-knuckle fights is a bit another discipline.
Файт!
Yevgeny Bychenko has the challenge to get closer, to find his distance in the fight against much taller opponent. Now he gets closer, but it's
Вище голову.
too close to create some good attacks, and we see only clinches. Taran is very cautious, he's very attentive, and he wants to see the aggression from his opponent, but of course he needs to counter-punch correctly to get an advantage in this battle.
Стоп! Стоп! Стоп, тайм. Останнє. Низько. Вище голову. Мінус бал наступний.
The last warning from the referee Shamil, who tells Bychenko to not to hold.
Стоп! Файт! Стоп!
Such an aggressive attack from Kirilo Taran that finishes with nothing. Good attack from Yevgeny Bychenko, and this is the first knockdown, the first really
Шість.
good episode in this
Вісім
fight.
крок вперед. Готов?
And Yevgeny Bychenko gets the advantage in the second round because it will finish with the scorecards of 10-8 for Yevgeny Bychenko. And it's time for the third round. Kirilo Taran now has to prove that he can get the victory, because in general Evgeny Bychenko gets the advantage of the knockdown. And now Evgeny Bychenko can be more calm in this stage of the fight. Oh, what a big attack from Evgeny Bychenko, and Kirilo Taran didn't counter-punch well to stop the opponent. As for me, Taran should more use jabs to stop his opponent in his spurts.
Не хватай.
Uppercut from Kirilo Taran, but not successful. And Taran attempts to make some combinations, but in general he runs out of distance. Although he's higher, he lacks of distance. Evgeny Bychenko punches the opponent in clinches, some body shots. One more attempt from Evgeny Bychenko, but Taran steps back. In the last seconds of the fight, Evgeny Bychenko is in the attack. And this is the end. This is the finish, and we are waiting for the scorecards.
Суддя номер 1 27-30.
27-30.
Суддя номер 2 27-29.
27-29.
27-30.
27-30.
Одноголосним рішенням
And the winner
суддів
by
цього
unanimous
поєдинку
decision is
перемогу отримує Євген Биченко.
Evgeny Bychenko.